everyone, welcome back to Larson Trips. My name is Katie and I'm here with my family. And today we are going to be fishing at Foster Lake in Sweet Home, Oregon. And we shall see what we get, so let's go.
Another good thing about this
Fireworms.
is when the water's down like this, you can kind of see the structure where everything is. See, like over there, you got some big stumps and stuff. So the fish like to hide out behind there. So now you kind of get an idea when you come back to fish in the summer when the water's up high. You can see where all your structure is and where you want to throw your bait or your lures or whatever you're fishing for. Bass like to hang out in stumps and stuff, so there might be some bass that hang out over there.
That's pretty cool.
So we're gonna bait this one up. This one's got a bobber and it's got a little weighted hook here, a little jig head. So I'm gonna throw on these little mice tails right there. I'll put that on the hook. Put it on the head here. Slide it through that. Push it up there, just like that. Give it a whirl.
Alright. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to get pricked by this, but we're going to try. It's not. Alright, this is the one we are going to be using. Is Power Bait Pink. I love using this one. This one works all the time on me. And Usually I have a pink fishing pole, but because that one I caught a, what size was it? Like a 19-inch fish on my pink pole with this stuff and this on there. Pretty sure we had that on there and it worked. So sometimes we do nuggets, right? A little. Sometimes. Hopefully we catch something. What's our goal today? Like, what's our...
One, at least one.
At least one.
But I don't know, this water's pretty muddy. Weather's been pretty nasty the last few days, so I don't know what the fish are gonna be up to. I'll procure trophy trout. Put that right on the power bait. Don't need much.
Work. We need to
like
try.
that.
We should have brought gummy bears. Oh wait, no, that's for a largemouth. All right, here we go. Oh, it is chilly out. I don't know how cold it is outside, but it's cold. I think it's like 40 something. 40 something or 40. It's very cold out. We shall see if I catch anything. Okay, so we haven't caught any fish or no bites. So we're gonna try to travel down there or go down there and see if we can catch anything over there. So we're gonna pack up and travel more. Alrighty. So we didn't catch any fish. Or 0 bites. We didn't get anything. We didn't get anything. So that was kind of a fail. So, but it was still really fun to walk. And Abby got some pictures. So, still really fun. So, yeah. Hiked a little bit, but we're almost to the truck. Keep going. So that is it for you guys today. So we didn't really catch any fish. They weren't biting. The water was really murky and it was really windy. So we hiked a little bit and yeah, we got muddy. A lot. Dad's shoes they're muddy. Everybody else's is muddy too, but really fun though to see the nature and actually get outdoors once in a while. And we saw a bald eagle, which was really fun. I think there were two. We saw it too. Yeah, there was two. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. You guys will get notified every time we post a new video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!